And we have the construction engineers. Tatlo yung combat support operations. Yung mobility to facilitate the movement of the main body of the troop towards the objective.
Si Megatron ang nag-clear ng mga kalsada dito sa buong Marawi. So siya yung nag-clear ng mga rubbles para makatawid o magkaroon ng mobility.
Free na tayo na alam na natin na wala talagang IED dun sa kalsada. Madadaanan na siya ng mga armored asset.
Kami ang nag-bridge makapasok at makalapit sa mga kalaban.
Yung counter mobility naman, pigilin natin yung enemy towards us. Yung blasting operations. Yung survivability, yan yung protection of the troop. Construction of battle positions, firing positions, vehicle fighting positions.
Naging mission ng Army Engineers o yung task group builders to clear the whole Marawi City from unexploded ordnance at saka improvised explosive device.
Tapos at matatapos yan pag Army Engineers ang gumawa. Respond.